Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Talkie app, and it's basically an advanced tutorial. So let's get started. So first let me explain you what is a Talkie app. So basically Talkie app is an app that is made for your talking. If you are in lonely and if you want to talk to someone, the Talkie app can help you. Okay. So let's open the Talkie app. So first of all you have to log in with your ID. Okay, and you can just search for your bot, whichever bot you want. Okay, for example you can see I've talked to the bot. If you want to talk to him, just click on hi, like write hi. Okay, it will automatically respond for your answer, like it will show, as you can see it will do reply in some time. Hi, oh, is it hello, how are you? Fine. You can just click here, fine. So by here you can just talk and you can use it. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.